Hello all, welcome to AI with Dhruv. Like in my previous video, I told you we do not need $1,000 Mac Mini. We just need $5 VPS and we can run Clawdbot, that is now Moltbot, okay, in our system in VPS. So right now you are able to see when I just created a system which can answer me in a real time. All right. So let me just show you how it works in a chat. Great. And you will able to see it's I already asked a lot of questions and it is corrected already here. You can see, okay, in a real time. We'll get cool. Pause in your code. Hit me when you need something, or if you want drop me one recurring annoyance you'll deal with. I'll see if I can automate it away. And you can see whatever I'm asking is what you can do, always on assistant and all. And it is really cool and really smart. So whatever we are listening on internet, it's true, right? It's using its memory, it's using of course so many other things to give you in a better way the answer. It can think clearly. Like if you told me something once and I remembered like that. So whenever I started a question, it kept asking me, who am I, who you are, tell me about that, what's your time zone, so it can interact me accordingly. So the question was very smarter. Like I never felt it with Claude or OpenAI. Yes, this is very cool and you can ask it to do anything. Fine. So right now you are able to see it. I already connected with my live Telegram, so I can ask, I can chat anytime whenever I want. But the best part, I haven't downloaded or running in my local. I'm running in cloud. Okay, and how I'm doing that. So let me give you an idea how you can do that. So first of all, what I did, I took. You can see that's how I run it already over here. Okay, you are able to see. So from here I just run it. I did all the I given all the access and all whatever it needed. You do not need a lot more thing. So once you go over here in their website, so now they have changed the name from Clawdbot to Moltbot. Okay, because the Claude was saying it almost similar like our name, it's similar like our name, just change it. That's the reason now it's Moldbot. And here you will able to see this is all we need to copy and paste inside your terminal of Hostinger wherever you have hosted. You can host anywhere, but I just chosen Hostinger. It is simple to easy. And before that, because I'm doing automation and all, the entire my automation system, we like N18 is hosted there as well. So I took a new VPS account and then I hosted. But the best part, I don't need to spend a single penny extra more than $5 or $6 to run this Clawdbot. Okay, in system, because in the market we are seeing that we need Mac Mini and all. No, technically you do not. If you have that much budget, go, that's fine. But see, for testing and trying purpose, for $6 $5 is not a huge money. I'm just able to run it in front of you. Okay, so how we can do that, what I did exactly, I'll show you. So here's the plan. And by the way, of course, Hostinger is not someone who told me to do this. I'm doing it on my own. And yes, so if I'll show you my account, so what they have, Hostinger VPS account. So let me open this. Let it be open. Yeah, now it's open. So here they have VPS account, and here you will able to see this one I was running like for NA10. This one just I purchased, so I can test and try in front of you, and you can see that's how just you need KVM VPS, just install, ready, and you are done. That's all you need. You need to install in Ubuntu. Click here, choose this one 24.04 LTS and just done it. Select, just you need to choose a password. So remember the password, because that will be required at the time of creating root and installing and all those things. Just go next and just choose. Right now I have took this one. I have took just for a 3 months plan, so I can test and try with different things if required, but I can run it. So you can see the cost that is going 549. This will be going if you are going with 24 months plan. If you're going with 3 months plan, also the same cost. See, 12 months same cost, this one same cost. Yeah, if you are paying for single month, in that case they will charge a lot. So I just took simply 3 months. And yes, if you are going with their 12 months and 24 months plan, in that case of course they have some offers going on. And if you use coupon code, of course I do have also, I'll put a link in in my description. In that case you will be getting extra off 20% or 10% kind of thing. Yes, that you can also use. Okay, now so the best part, once you are done, you just install, and then you need to come back inside your VPS, and that's all. Just pay and start. And once you are inside your VPS, then all you need to do, just go over here, open this, manage, and click terminal. Okay, right now just you are able to see this is my virtual machine is running. It's disk usage is used reason because I just run it multiple times, but still, you know, a lot of space, lot of. So we are getting 100 GB of disk space, and we are getting awesome somewhere around 8 GB of RAM as well. So everything is fine, you know, it's really great. So all you need, just go over here and just go in Moltbot, copy paste, just run it, and then it will give you an idea then how you need to do rest of the part, which you can do that anyhow. Okay, so if you will come downside, then once it has already run and once you have set up, so after this you also need API key. Okay, because it is running somewhere with the help of LLMs, so you need technically, if you wanted the best right now, that is Anthropic, that I'm also using. So if I'll show you also, for this chat already I'm using Claude API key, which you can get on Claude developer account, direct API keys. Configure that, and then you are good to go. And once you will come over here, you will able to see all these things. Okay, so then just you need to come over here and copy paste, open your terminal, and once you have opened your terminal, just again run and enter your password. Here you require your password, and this will be live like this, which already I am showing you right now. Okay, so how much this cost me? So of course, the VPS charges, which I told you already, but that is very less than $1,000. And anyhow, even if you have local machine or something, still you need to add API key, so that is by default you need to pay. So for these chat, you can see right till now I have did almost uh, these many chats with very less context, but still around like 5 to 10 chat I did, and it cost me somewhere around $1. Okay, somewhere around $1 based on context and all. Fine. So yes, that much you need to pay. And of course, for testing and trying, anyhow you need to pay. And once you are going live, then of course the cost will increase. You have to ready for that. But what I'm trying to say, just I'm trying to save your money, that you do not need to pay to machine initially. Later on you can upgrade if you want it, if you are planning to buy and all. In that case, that's totally fine, but still there will be a lot of concerns, right? The concerns about securities and all. And you can see these are the interface and everything. That's everything working pretty fine, and good UI, I can say. Configuration, everything you will able to set up. And then we can add so many other skills, so many upgrades, and number of possibilities. Fine. So yes, this is what I wanted to share with you. Do not need to pay a lot. Just come, set up, test and try on your own, see how this works. Once you are good to go, then use it if you want it. If not, just close it. But yeah, that's how we can test and try. Okay, I hope this video is going to give some value. So do not forget to like and subscribe also, so I can keep creating such same videos where you will be saving your money, your time. And not only this, but you will be also able to make money and save others companies time so they can pay you. Hope right. So if any questions you have, let me know in the comment. I'll try to answer. Okay, for setup and all, do not worry, just all you need this thing, just go copy and paste, and then you will figure it out. Okay, that's how I did it. Fine guys, thank you for watching.